Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Giri from class D3 TI 01. On this occasion, I would like to present a topic about non-clause, especially discussing their use in the field of informatic engineering. Okay, let's go. First slide, I will explain for definition of noun clause. Definition point 1. A noun clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. This means that a noun clause has a complete structure just like a simple sentence. Point 2. In function as a noun in a sentence. In other words, a noun clause can act as a subject, an object, or a complement. Last point, a noun clause can replace a noun or a noun phrase. This makes noun clause very useful in creating more complex sentence. For example, what a computer can do depends on its hardware and software. In this sentence, what a computer can do works as the subject of the sentence. So next slide, function of noun clause. Function of noun clause have three functions, like one, noun clause as a subject. A noun clause acts as the subject of the sentence. It usually appears at the beginning of the sentence. The noun clause performs the main action in the sentence. For example, as a subject, what a computer can do depends on its hardware and software. Here, what a computer can do is the subject of sentence. So function 2. Noun clause as an object. A noun clause functions as the object of verb. It comes after verb such as know, understand, explain, or learn. For example, this function, I understand how an operating system manages system resource. In this sentence, the noun clause receives the action of the verb understand. So the last function, noun clause as a complement. A noun clause functions as a complement. It explains or completes the subject of the sentence. It usually follows linking verbs such as is or are. For example, the problem is why the network connection is unstable. The noun clause explains the problem in the sentence. So next slide. Example of noun clause for what, who, whom, where, when. First example, what. I understand what artificial intelligence can do in data analysis. In this sentence, what artificial intelligence can do is a noun clause. Second example is who. We know who develops the operating system. Who developed the operating system is a noun clause that acts as the object of the verb. Third example, whom. The system administrator decides whom the server allows to access the network. In this example, whom the server allows is a noun clause used an object. Fourth example, where. This application shows fourth example where this application shows where cloud data is stored. The noun clause where cloud data is stored function as the object of the verb sentence. For example, when the programmer remember when the system was last updated. In the sentence, when the system was last updated is a noun clause that function as the object. So next slide for example, why, which, whose, how, if or whatever. Oh, my bad, if or whether. Sixth example, why. The technician explains why the computer suddenly shut down. In the sentence, why the computer suddenly shut down is a noun clause that functions as the object of the verb explain. Next, seventh example, which. Users choose which software is suitable for web development. Which software is suitable for web development is a noun clause acting as the object of the verb. Eighth example, whose. The security system detects whose account was hacked. In this example, whose account was hacked is a noun clause that functions as the object of the verb detects. Ninth example, how. Students learn how programming language work. The noun clause how programming language work acts as the object of the verb learn. And last example, if or whether. The developer check whether the application is secure or not. In this sentence, whether the application is secure or not is a noun clause that functions as the object of the verb check. Okay, last slide, conclusion. Noun clauses are an important part of English grammar. They function as subject, object, and complements in sentence. Using informatic engineering topic makes noun clause easier to understand. Understanding noun clause improve communication in technology related fields. Okay, thank you for part A. So next I will explain or present to part B. Okay, next for part B, I will explain the summary of our group presentation assignment, which discuss the topic of smart device. Can look for this presentation. For introduction, smart devices have become an important part of modern life, especially in home security. Many people feel worried when they leave their house for work. With the development of IoT, smart home devices can now monitor homes continually and provide real-time protection. This background shows why smart security systems are needed in today's digital era. For main ID or body, the smart home security system is an IoT-based solution designed to protect home effectively. It uses motion detection sensor, HD camera, cloud storage, and mobile application to monitor house 24 hours. When suspicious activity is detected, the system sends instant alert to the user smartphone. In conclusion, the smart home security system shows how IoT technology can improve home safety. It offers many advantages such as real-time monitoring, easy access, talk, smartphone, and continuous protection. Okay, this is my presentation for part A, part B. Thank you. See you.